Hello friends, if you are searching how to cancel Janitor AI account, so try this method. Today in this video, we are going to tell you how you can cancel your Janitor AI. Only in some easy steps, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Method 1. Cancel Janitor AI account online. Go to the Janitor AI website and log into your account. You have different ways to log into your account, either email, Google, Discord, or Twitter. After logging in, navigate to the Janitor AI homepage. Tap on your profile icon from the top of the screen. You will be directed to the My Profile page. From the bottom of the page, click the Delete Profile button. Click OK for the Are you sure you want to delete your profile? Your deletion request will be processed. After some time, you will see a confirmation message account successfully deleted on the screen. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel Janitor AI account via email. You can also reach out to the Janitor AI support team to submit your request to cancel your Janitor AI account. For this, you can send a cancellation email to support@janitori.com and their team will check out your email and proceed with the steps to delete your account. Don't worry. You will be notified about the deletion via email. And you are done. Only by using this method, you can easily cancel your Janitor AI. Hope you like this video. If yes, please hit a like button. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.